Buongiorno amici, buongiorno. Guys, today we are here with the tomatoes and we will make the tomato sauce all together. We bought 300 kilos of nice tomatoes and now we are washing them, you see, and then we cut one by one. We remove the parts that they are not good and we will put here in this other tray. Here my mama, Teresa, preparing the tomatoes. And over here we have all the tomatoes. Look here, guys. So they need to be really red and mature, otherwise they are not juicy enough. And then when they come, you have to select, because some of them they are perfect, but others like this, for example, it's not good. So you have to remove it. You have to be very careful because this part will make the tomato sauce good. So the selection of the tomatoes, it's really important. Look at this one, for example, it's not good, too much mature, and it's a little bit acid. So if you put one piece like this in the tomato sauce, it will make it not perfect. Well, here we have all the things ready. Also we have the bottles that we washed yesterday, so they are clean and ready to be filled. Here we are preparing the gas and the fire to boil the tomatoes, and now let's go and see step by step how we will do it. Here we have more help. We got Zia Giovanna, she came also to help us, Zia Maria, we have Alessandro, and here after cooking the tomatoes we will mince, you see, and remove the juice from the skin of the tomato. Here are the tomatoes boiling after have been washed and cut in 4 pieces. So then once you wash the tomatoes one by one, then you remove the pieces that they are not good. Here we have a big team, you see, working all together. This is why I like to make tomato sauce, because all the family is together. And then after washing, removing the parts that they are not good, then you boil here in this pans, you see. They need to boil for about 20 minutes to be ready. You see, we put 2 of them because we have a lot of tomatoes to do today. And here Zio Franco mixing and in charge for the cooking of the tomatoes. So about 20 minutes of cooking over here, and then we put in this basket for draining. So some of the water will go away and the tomato sauce will be more concentrated and more thick. Wow, look here. So here we are mincing the tomatoes after cooking. You see? And guys, we started this morning 7 o'clock. It was just Teresa and my mother. Then more people came, Leonardo as well, Alessandro helping us. And in total, I think we will finish around 5 o'clock, more or less. Oh, so everybody's doing something. Me, I'm doing the clip, the video. And everybody working on the tomato sauce. And also Alessandro. Look, Alessandro, how good is to fill the tomato bottle one by one. Because as I told you, it's a nice tradition. There are a lot of people working together here on the tomato sauce today. So also the kids, they will enjoy this day and they will remember for longer. And here, guys, keep mincing the tomatoes. Look here. So in total we made 400 kilos of tomatoes. So one part is already minced and the other part we are mincing now. So we pass the tomato 2 times, the first time and then a second time to make it more thick, the tomato sauce. Look how it looks like. Look at this. Wow, it's very, the first one it's a little bit liquid, but then the second time you pass the tomato it's more thick, the tomato sauce, as you can see. And here the rest of the tomatoes. Here my mother, it's tired since 7 o'clock working here on the tomato. And here the other part. This is the tomato raw, so this one we will not cook, we will mince the tomato raw. So we will make 2 recipes, one with cooked tomato like this and another part with raw tomatoes.
Sei brava, tieni.
And here guys we have the tomatoes ready for boiling. So we put the tomatoes in the bottles inside the water. It will reach 100 Celsius degrees and it will boil for 30 minutes and then it's ready. And here we have finally the tomato sauce ready. So my mother today, she cooked already the tomato sauce. So this was the tomato sauce we made yesterday. Wow, the flavor is amazing guys, really delicious. Buonissima guys, really good. So I hope you enjoyed the video how to make the tomato sauce and how it's the procedure, and thank you for watching and sending your comments. Ciao ciao.